Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a 10-minute HIIT session. HIIT meaning high intensity interval training. So we're gonna go for 45 seconds on and then 15 seconds of break. Being Thursday, we're gonna concentrate on the core, however. You're gonna need a dumbbell for this workout. There's 10 different exercises. There's no repeat throughout. Just simply follow along with me. We get started in about 20 seconds. Before we get started, I wanna say thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Today's been 4 years since we started on YouTube. So we got 10 seconds left. Before we get started, we're going elbow to knee, hand to foot, nice and easy. The first 5 exercises are gonna be all standing up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, and then extend out. Boom, kick and kick. 1, 2, and extend out. Kick that foot, kick that foot. There we go. 1, and kick, and kick. And 1, and 2, and give me a kick, and give me a kick. 25 seconds left. Boom. There we go. Boom. And other side. A little less than 20 seconds left. Keep it up. It's gonna be 1 minute down. 10% of the workout done. Pretty soon. Boom. Less than 10 seconds. Keep it up. Bam. 3, 2. Let's finish it up. And now we rest for 15 seconds. Now we're gonna get to use that dumbbell. We'll go around the globe, around the head, however you wanna call it. Grab that dumbbell. I'm using a 20-pounder for reference. 3, 2, 1, bring it out in front of you. Go around, stop, and around on the way back. And stop. Round, stop, back, stop. This is nice standing core. That's what's stabilizing us right now. So let's keep it up. Boom. Back. That's it. That's it. And back. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. And in the other direction. Big movement, big movement. Come on. Just don't hit yourself in the head. Boom. 3 seconds. Last one. And 1. All right. Keep that dumbbell, that's not going anywhere for our next couple exercises, right? Now we're gonna go dumbbell swing between the legs. You guys should be seeing the preview right now. Use whatever dumbbell you're comfortable with. I'm still gonna continue with the 20. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Swing and catch it behind you and swing up and catch. Up, and if you drop it and pick it up, that's okay, nobody's watching. Boom. Up, down, up and down, that's it. Up and down. Like I said, it's cardio and core today. If you don't think you're using your core, trust me, you are. That's what's keeping you upright right now. And bring you up and down, up and down, up. Less than 10 seconds left. Keep it up. We're not repeating, it's only a 10-minute workout. I can come up with 10 different exercises. 1 second, less swing, and we are done. All right, we went around the head. Now we're gonna go around the waist with the dumbbell. Either direction you pick, switch in between, switch halfway, doesn't really matter, all right? As long as the dumbbell goes around the waist. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and bring it around. And like I say, if you drop it, you drop it. Just don't drop it on your foot, especially if you're using something heavier. Keep it up. Stay nice and upright. Around the waist, let it pull you to either side, but you resist that pull. Don't swing back and forth. I'm not gonna switch directions because I get a feeling if I did, I drop this thing right out of my foot. 10 seconds left, keep it up. 2, 1. Keep that dumbbell handy. We're gonna go up and over. This is one of my favorite exercises. Also, I have to be very careful on this because I have a very low ceiling here. Legs farther apart. You should see in the preview again. And we're gonna pick that up and nice and slow and control. We're gonna put it down on the other side. Ready? Up, over, and down. And up, over, and down. Over, down, over. You should be feeling those obliques, which is the side of your core. Down and lift. And lift. Lift. That's it. Lift. 10 seconds left, couple more lifts left, let's go. Up, over, up, over. Let's do one more. Up and over, all right. Now we're getting down on the ground and we're going to stay there. All right, here we go. On the ground, we have Russian twist. You can use a dumbbell, you don't have to use a dumbbell. It's completely up to you. I'm gonna use it. Legs up or down, legs up. Make it more challenging and twist. Twist. Challenge that core today. There we go. Stay with me. We only gonna have 4 exercises left after this one. We got this. 20 seconds left. 15. 10. We got it, we got it. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1, and down. All right, plank position, guys. Go do the old dumbbell drag from one side to the other, right? So you leave your dumbbell right there. You're, once again, seeing the preview. Just gonna drag it from one side to the other. 3, 2, 1. Drag it over. Plank. Drag over. Plank. Drag. That's it. Keep it up. 30 seconds left. About 15 seconds left. Keep doing it. Two, 1, and relax. All right. No dumbbell required for this one. We're gonna go for taps. So tap shoulder, tap chest, knee, knee, foot, foot. Nice and easy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Plank position. Tap, tap, chest, chest, knee, knee, and then go foot and foot. Ready? Shoulder, shoulder, chest. Chest. Whoops, that's not chest. Knee, knee, foot, foot. Ready? Shoulder, shoulder, chest, chest, knee, knee, foot, foot. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Let's do one more. 2, 3, 4, 5. I know, don't worry about the clock. 7, 8. Now you can relax. We're doing single weighted dumbbell sit-ups. One on the right side, one on the left side. If the dumbbell is heavy, just do regular sit-ups. If you're good, you're good. And let's go. 1. Halfway through, if you feel like you have to drop your dumbbell, that's all right. This one's a little heavy. Gonna do the best that I can. That's all I expect from you. Keep going. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds. Keep it up. 3. Last sit up. Boom. And relax. Switch arms. Same thing. Last exercise. Catch your breath. God knows I have to. All right. You're going in 5 seconds. 4, 3. Dumbbell up. Ready? 1. And go. 1. Very awkward on this side. 2. But yeah, we keep on going. 3. 4. I don't know why I'm counting. Got 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Nice and tight in the core. Challenge yourself. 20 seconds. Yes, it's difficult. 10 seconds left. 3 seconds. Let's do one more. And nice and slow on the way down. Woo. That was it, guys. That was today's 10-minute HIIT workout, and we kind of concentrate on the core. Once again, this is Fit After 50, guys. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Paul. It's been 4 years running, I think today actually, since this channel has exploded on YouTube. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys on Monday during the next workout.